What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Reggie RT in the place to be. Back again with another video, man. Another lit video, another banger, man. You know what time it is, man. So I'm trying to do this intro real quick, man. We finna ride out, man. We got a special little car meet slash show slash whatever, you know what I'm saying, that we finna head up to, man. So also, man, before we start this video, man, again, thanks for all the support, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. For more content, man, turn on that bell so y'all know to be notified when I upload new content, man. As soon as I get up there, man, and get settled in and everything like that, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all boys and let y'all know what the deal is, man. Alright, man, so we done made it out to the car show, the Corvette car show, man. We're gonna show you the lineup, what we got. Yes, sir. We got the SRT thing, 6.4. Man, I'm telling y'all, that is like the most aggressive body style that you can get, bro. I love that body style. Then we got me right here. Yes, sir, all cleaned up. Then we got this scat pack thing, the score gray. One of my favorite colors from the factory, I'm telling you. One of my favorite colors from the factory. Then we got my boy right here. A-Gang official, shout out to him. With that Durango RT thing. He got that mug all cleaned up with the rally stripes on. Got my guy right here, RT Shaker Scat Pack. And that beautiful red. Looks hard with that red, but. Yes, sir. Then we got my guy right here, Magnum thing on the middos. Yes, sir. Got a phone sitting right. Show. Yeah, man, so we got a lot kind of going on today. I'm gonna pretty much take y'all with me kind of like vlog style and let y'all know what's going on, man. So here we go, we finna get into it right now.
Oh, he got some serious up on hill. We did it.
He got some lean in there.
He got some knives up in there.
What's up, trying to call?
Y'all look at these vets, man. That's what the car show really about right now anyway. But you know Mopars, we had it for a I'm telling y'all, boy, they got these things washed to perfection, boy. I ain't lying. Swear. I'm trying to kind of go through all of them somewhere a little bit quicker, man, but then it's a lot of cars out here. I haven't seen one even when it was this close.
It's dirty. It's just like the fence I'm talking about. Oh yeah, several times. Did it on the way up. Oh really? What I mistake? No, I'm saying. You know, you learn the long way. You want a long way like this? Now, ready to go. 1, 2.
Try to do a little bit of talking in the video, y'all. So many cars to go through, though. I don't got time to talk.
Ooh, I hate him getting anywhere close to a curve, though.
Ain't no way I'm not touching nothing.
No, I'm swinging wide every time.
Move it. Orders up. Move it. They float. I want to find out so bad, but I can't do it. It ain't my car. Long black mirror out for me. Now we're gonna do a quick swing around over the last few ones left on this road. I always had a lot of look of it, man, over the years. I feel like every year they progressed and got better. In my opinion. Then we get a few right here. I like the wheels on that. I like the wheels on that. Shot of that blue thing. I think this one wrap, man. I think this one look like it got like a blue wrap on it. It's kind of like a satin shine type of wrap. I like what they got going on. It's like that old school bit. I was sleeping on them bits, man. A lot of people sleeping on them. Still no problem, no problem. Don't get it twisted.
I should take a lot of bumps and stuff out of it.
Still just walking around, trying to get y'all as many, trying to get through every single one of them. I might not get through every one of them in detail, but y'all can get a good idea what each one of them look at. At least try to get the paint and the wheels in each shot.
The 50 He got it set up for wide on the back.
Yeah. Oh, he got that wide body kit on. Yeah, he got that kit on it.
Wide with the real yeah, on the back with no wide tack. He gonna have to lift that up though.
Yeah, I don't think them wheels wide enough.
Nah, that ain't. They need to be wide.
They need to at least be 11 or 12 inches wide.
He just wide. Now, I mean, it look good.
It look good now. It look good, but you gonna be able to tell the difference. Just
I had to have that tack come down on the back.
Yeah.
It look good, man.
Cause I know I got 10s on the back of mine, so I know he need at least 11 or 12. See, them the ones, them ain't got no float caps on them, the regular Ford. Yeah, some more action. This one actually look just like that yellow Ferrari I showed y'all earlier. They kind of look, they really pretty much look similar. One thing about them bids though, boy, they gonna have that chrome in them no matter what. See, look that one, another chrome. And that's a smart idea to have on the front, man, because them bugs is gonna eat you alive, dog. I really need to invest in one of them myself. Those front fender bits. I need to invest in one of them, man. But them bugs killing me, bro. I'm so tired of scraping bugs out of my car. Man, got a little bit of chrome, man. I think it's stop looking. I say that. See chrome again. Got the red top on that. Good too. Let me catch this. Oh yeah. Ooh, wheels on that thing, stupid. Wheels on that thing, stupid. Which one of them?
I see you. I see you.
wide
Just
body
got it.
so much.
Just got it.
Keep it on.
Jack Hines, the
That
rank
wide
and the
body
Madison,
thing, man.
the breast council, they're gonna be all on the news.
I'm gonna get it, boy. I'm gonna get that wide body.
Like this. Hey, bring my car back out there. Okay. Cause you gonna post that video and she gonna see it. I want you to hit it. I want you to hit it out there.
Oh yeah. Y'all hear that turbo in that thing?
Dang.
Alright, man, so we done got through with the car show, man. I'm at the gas station filling up right now. I was super low, but I just wanted to holler at y'all for a minute, let y'all know what was going on. Yeah, so we had basically was a Corvette car show, man. But we Mopar, you know, we pulled up, we did our thing, you know. I hope the content of the video didn't come off as too rushed for y'all, man. But a lot of these videos be spur of the moment, man. But I just want to make sure that I get the content out for y'all either way it go. So y'all can leave y'all thoughts and you know, ways that I can improve on that, man, because it's our channel, you know. I'm only going off y'all support. But I appreciate y'all checking out the video, man. Like I always say, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's the end of the video, man. Reggie RT, we out.